What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, TurtlePlays. And today, after a few requests and me struggling on this for some reason, a clone trooper. It's a little difficult to do a clone trooper, as like they all have their own kind of voice. They're all voiced by a different person, and like a stormtrooper, they are voiced by different people, but they all more or less sound the same. But this was my best attempt at getting the helmet. This was my fourth attempt or something like that at this. Or third, I guess. Yeah, third attempt with the 03 marking it. I think it's decent. It definitely could use some work, but like, I'm kind of tired of trying to fix it. So you guys go for it, fiddle around with it, have fun with it, and yeah, let's after this very long intro, let's get it done. Clone Trooper. So, what you'll need for this voice is 5 simple things. You'll need your wah-wah. You'll need your pitch, high pass, low pass, and equalizer. Now, this shouldn't, just not too much things, but for your wah-wah, your mix will need to be 8, your frequency will need to be 82, your type will need to be 25, for pitch, mix of 38, and pitch of 52, humanizer off. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause. Hopefully the quality of the video will be high enough so you can see the numbers, and you can always just go back if you need. For high pass, it'll be 100 and 99. Mix of 100, frequency of 99. Probably should have specified that. Low pass, mix of 95 and frequency of 11. And for the final one, final, the equalizer, mix of 36, low frequency of 37, gain low frequency of 65, mid frequency of 31, gain mid frequency 51, high frequency 35, and gain high frequency 71. Now, I definitely went fast on that one. So again, you can just head back, go through it if you need. Hopefully the video might be high enough quality so you can see. Don't know yet, but that's what you need. It's the for the helmet, and yeah, let's get right into the voice.
The war left its scars on all of us. We're just clones, sir. We're meant to be expendable. You deserve it. You're one of us. Look at us. We're one of the same. Same heart. Same blood. We're not propaganda. You have to learn to make your own decisions.
Now, that was the Clone Trooper voice, version 3. Yeah, it sounds decent, I guess. There could be definitely some improvements, but you know, I'm done with this voice. It's taken me too long to get to that point, and I'm depressed about that. It's up to you guys now, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And one of my favorite voices I've ever made is definitely the General Grievous one. I think it's personally my best, so if you want to check that out, I'll put the link to that video in the description or at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time it might be for you. Goodbye.